Team FoneArena is in Barcelona, here to check out Mobile World Congress, where there's going to be the absolute bleeding edge tech making its way into your hands this year. But did you know that it's the smart engineers at Qualcomm who are responsible for a whole lot of that hardware innovation? We'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsors at Qualcomm for helping us make this coverage happen. And now, on to the video. If there was one word to describe the Nokia 8 Sirocco edition, it would likely be exquisite. The company has a heritage of stunning hardware design, and HMD is carrying the torch forward with aplomb. The company might call the Sirocco edition a special edition, but honestly, the design bears little if any resemblance to the original Nokia 8. This is an all-glass phone which is held together by a barely there stainless steel chassis. Internally, the phone has a Snapdragon 835 chipset with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The phone of course runs Android 8.0. This time around though, the Sirocco edition is IP67 rated, it has wireless charging and even a bigger battery. Unfortunately, it makes do without a headphone jack. The screen is a 5.5-inch 2K POLED display that is curved on both sides. Nokia didn't go with an 18:9 aspect ratio this time around, but we don't really mind that at this size. The phone is compact enough to fit most pockets and feels chunky in a good way. Sure, it is similar to what Samsung has been doing, but Nokia have really nailed it on their first try. This is a great looking phone and pictures just don't do it justice. Nokia is also stressing on the fact that they've pressure tested it to the point that 3 people could be standing on the handset and it would not flex. That's a bold claim that we obviously couldn't test out. At the back is a dual camera array similar to the one on the Nokia 7 Plus. The 12 and 13 megapixel cameras pack a wide angle and 2x telephoto lens. Image quality at first glance appears to be an improvement over the regular Nokia 8, but we'll test that out in a full review. Now all that design comes at a price, and the Nokia 8 Sirocco edition is priced at €750, which certainly seems very steep considering the next generation of flagships that have already been announced. We're hoping to get our hands on the device very soon for a full review, so do check back FoneArena.com and our YouTube channel for more on the Nokia 8 Sirocco edition. Thanks for watching.